NBC News report reveals Charlotte could be the next city where Border Patrol launches an immigration enforcement operation.
Now, the exact timing of the operation is still unknown. According to NBC, would follow their exit from Chicago, which is expected to happen sometime this week. And tonight, WCNC Charlotte's Autumn Bracey and Anna King are following the report as reaction continues to pour in.
Yeah, let's start with Autumn, who is joining us from West Charlotte. So, Autumn, how are community members reacting this evening?
Well, Jane and Nick, we reached out to the nonprofit organization Camino that serves primarily Latino families, and leaders there say it's concerning to think of the impact this could be leaving here in our community.
What we don't condone or what we're not for here at Camino is the use of fear tactics and the fear of interrogation tactics in order to try to uphold the law.
Camino has served the Charlotte Metro for more than 25 years. In light of reports, Border Patrol could begin an immigration enforcement operation here. Leaders say they're concerned. Spokesperson Paulo Garcia says its board of directors met this morning to discuss the potential impact of the operation, saying they already have plans for similar situations.
We do have protocols in place if an ICE officer were to come onto our campus.
Charlotte would be the first city Border Patrol has spearheaded an operation on its own without coordinating with ICE. Garcia tells me a lot of people are scared. She says Camino has seen a noticeable drop in the number of people using their services since the start of the year, especially their medical clinic.
Are people within the Latino community who are afraid to leave their house, who are afraid to drive, to come to a clinic to receive the health care that they need and that they deserve.
To help address the drop, Camino is testing a new telehealth program here in North Carolina with plans to expand it nationwide in January. One man I spoke with says while he understands some people see ICE as providing protection, he says that's not how many in the Latino community view it.
When there's families and a child who's born here, a child who goes back home and they don't have a dad or their parents aren't there. I think that's the biggest fear. Just me thinking I have a little cousin, that could happen to them, or if it could happen to any family.
Now, right now, it's unclear when Border Patrol agents could be coming here to Charlotte. Governor Josh Stein has reached out to the White House for reaction on what this could mean here in the state. Live in Charlotte, Autumn Bracey, WCNC Charlotte.
Yeah, still a lot of uncertainty around this.
Oh, yeah, but we're keeping a close eye on that. Thanks for that, Autumn.